What if we lived in a world where AI could read our minds? Scientists at the University of Texas published a study describing how they used functional magnetic resonance, or fMRI, and an AI system preceding ChatGPT, called GPT-1, to create a non-invasive mind decoder that can detect brain activity and capture the essence of what someone is thinking. To train the AI, scientists got 3 people to listen to entertaining podcasts, including New York Times' Modern Love and the Motor Radio Hour, all while in fMRI scans. They used transcripts of the episodes to map the parts of the brain that different words activated. Once this worked, they played clips from Pixar movies with subtitles to see if the decoder can work with imagery as well as text, and also tested whether the decoder would still work if people just tried to tell stories in their heads. And all 3 experiments worked. The results weren't shockingly detailed, but they were accurate enough for the decoder to understand the meaning of what people were thinking and convert it into text. On one hand, this is really exciting news. Just imagine a future where people with neurological conditions or stroke survivors can once again communicate because of this type of technology. At the moment though, the decoder is not fully developed. The AI only works if it's trained with data from the brain activity of the person it's used on, so you kind of have to tailor-make it every time. The fMRI scans are big and expensive, so its distribution is limited. And scientists also found that the AI can get confused if people decided to lie to it by just simply choosing to think about something different than what is required. These so-called obstacles may actually be good news, as the potential to create a machine that can read people's thoughts raises serious privacy concerns. And just imagine if the decoder could be used as an interrogation method or a surveillance technique.
Your scientists were so preoccupied with whether or not they could, they didn't stop to think if they should.
So before AI mind reading develops any further, scientists and policymakers need to seriously consider the ethical implications and enforce laws that protect mental privacy to ensure this type of technology only exists for the benefit of humanity.